Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily remove the front bumper on a facelift Mercedes-Benz W210. There are a few hidden bolts that many people miss during disassembly, so make sure to watch until the end to avoid damaging any mounting points. Let's get started. First, open the hood. At the top, near the headlights, you'll find two mounting bolts on each side that secure the bumper assembly. Using an 8mm socket with a ratchet, remove all of these bolts. If you have a power screwdriver or impact driver, you can make the job even faster. Once the upper bolts are removed, turn the steering wheel to the left or right to gain access to the wheel arch area. Inside the fender liner, you'll find a mounting bolt that secures the side of the bumper. Remove this bolt with a ratchet. Then repeat the same procedure on the opposite side. Now it's time to remove the most important fasteners, the hidden bolts located near the radiator support. These are the bolts that many people overlook, and they will prevent the bumper from coming off even after all the visible fasteners have been removed. There is one on each side. Use a 13mm socket and carefully remove both of them. After all the fasteners have been removed, you can gently pull the bumper forward. However, before completely removing it from the vehicle, don't forget to disconnect the fog light connectors and the headlight washer hoses if your vehicle is equipped with them. And that's it. The front bumper is now completely removed. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what Mercedes repair or DIY tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.